Today at Ellwood Farm Machinery, a massive 390 four-wheel drive with a 1212 shuttle gearbox, bearing away very nicely, fully glazed cab, see the weather out, 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, PTO, 2 auxiliary spools. It's road registered with the V5 if you fancy going to the shops with it. Hop in the cab. Good line in good condition. Good seat. Oh, it's nice and warm, that is. Very warm. Hydraulics going down. Back up. Power steering, lovely. Working handbrake. Take it off. Shuttle gearbox, so merely push that forward, select the gear, and we're off. Gearbox working perfectly. It'll put you through the wind if you're not careful. With the shuttle box, very handy. Just backwards and then forwards. Whoa, go steady now. Very nice. Mirror to see what's behind you. Good visibility all the way round. Very agile tractor. Dig in the world. The 4th gear. Stop again. Good brakes. Very much a massey. There she is for you, a good tractor. Ready to go. PTO spinning there, look. Very nice. UK and Ireland delivery available. Partex welcome. More information, Ellwood Farm Machinery, the Facebook page, and Ellwood Farm Machinery 30k. Thank you very much for your time.